What is this?
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it.
I'm actually taking a deep breath before I finally open this hair to detangle. But before that, let's gloss this lips because it's about to be a lot. Alright, I think it's fair. So let's get right into the main video. What is this? Like, what is this? What is this? Why is it this tangled? Like, it's giving barbed wire, it's giving matted, it's giving you need to detangle me, it's giving I need a lot right now. Fun fact, this hair has been in the bonnet for the longest, so hence the reason why it has taken the shape of a very matted looking hair. But not to worry, we're going to bring it back to life. Like, what is this? Anyway, I can't even find my spray bottle with water. I'll be back. First is first, your spray bottle with water. This is the main thing that will actually do the magic on your hair. You need moisture. I keep saying it, that you need moisture. Once your hair is moisturized, every other thing is, secondary. This is the primary thing to do. I have low porosity, so you can see the water balls just sitting on my hair shaft. Low porosity in the sense that my hair cannot absorb moisture fast, so it needs a lot of massaging before it gets in. So shout out to all low porosity girlies. You guys are really trying, because believe you me, it's not easy to get moisture in our hair, but we move regardless. What can we do? I think I see the instant puff. Like, my hair became fuller because I've separated the hair strands well. So yeah, that's how it is. So you go in next with your leave-in conditioner, because your leave-in conditioner also adds moisture to your hair. So yeah, be generous in your products to save you a whole lot. Why lose your hair to breakage when you can avoid it by just applying enough moisturizing products? Like, why? Hope you know that to get back those inches will take you months in some cases. So why would you now, get rid of it or lose it?
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I stamp on it. In a private plane, I lamp on it. Then they call me Bankole, cause I walk around with the bank on it.
Ensure that you get every part of the hair strand, from the roots to the tip.
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I stamp on it. In a private plane, I lamp on it. Lele oh, then they call me Bankole. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele oh, yeah. Tobalo ko macho, yeah. Tobalo mako macho, yeah. Nobody know tomorrow. Choro ka choro. And if a boy feel macho, make him look red like a tomato. If him not dead, then he comatose. No go fambo. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbors. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbor. You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I stamp on it. In a private plane, I lamp on it. Lele oh, then they call me Bankole. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele oh, yeah. Tobalo ko macho, yeah. Tobalo mako macho, yeah. Nobody know tomorrow. Choro ka choro. And if a boy feel macho, make him look red like a tomato. If him not dead, then he comatose. No go fambo. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbors. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbor. You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I stamp on it. In a private plane, I lamp on it. Lele oh, then they call me Bankole. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele oh, yeah. Tobalo ko macho, yeah. Tobalo mako macho, yeah. Nobody know tomorrow. Choro ka choro. And if a boy feel macho, make him look red like a tomato. If him not dead, then he comatose. No go fambo.